Packaged foods have become a regular part of our diet. Some packaged foods are just unprocessed or minimally processed and are usually safe to consume. You can watch our video on food processing from farm to factory, the journey of foods you eat, mentioned in the link, to understand the different types of food processing. But a lot of packaged foods are processed or ultra-processed to increase their taste, likability, and shelf life. However, these are low in nutritional content, and in some cases, not even safe to consume on a regular basis, meaning more than twice a week. So, it becomes very important to know what these packaged foods are made of, and what makes them so unsafe. Ingredients are usually mentioned on the back of the packaging. Sometimes they are quite small, so you need to find them to know the complete truth. Let's see how to read these ingredients and what they mean. The ingredients are expected to be listed in decreasing order of their weight in the total composition. This means that the first ingredient will be the one which has the highest percentage in the package, followed by other ingredients listed in decreasing order. This is as per regulations, but not all brands might follow this. As a thumb rule, the first 4 to 5 ingredients are the ones which make up most of the product. There are 6 main things to watch for to avoid eating unnecessary items and develop healthy eating habits. First, some ingredients are themselves a product or mixture of multiple ingredients. Sometimes their sub-ingredients are mentioned, sometimes not. Here are 2 examples. These types of ingredients might not be healthy options. One example is of natural flavors. This term can encompass a wide range of substances derived from plant or animal sources, which might include additional chemicals or allergens. Second, hydrogenated oils. Watch out for hydrogenated oils, especially partially hydrogenated ones. These produce harmful trans fats, which are not good for your health. Third, additives like thickeners, preservatives, stabilizers, emulsifiers, and acidity regulators serve different purposes, such as preventing bacterial growth, adding texture, and increasing shelf life. They are listed with codes like INS numbers, which refers to the International Numbering System for Food Additives, INS. While they serve a purpose, many studies have highlighted their adverse health impacts. 4. Ultra-processed foods usually have many ingredients. The more ingredients in a packaged food, the less desirable it should be. This is especially true if the ingredients have undergone a lot of processing, during which their nutritional value cannot remain intact. 5. Fruit juices might seem healthy, but look closer. Ingredients like fruit concentrates and flavors indicate that the juice isn't even made of whole fruits. Processing reduces the nutritional value, and the amount of actual fruit per serving might be negligible. The natural sugars and fiber component present in whole fruit, which helps in proper absorption of the sugar, is completely missing. Additionally, added flavors provide taste but can have long-term adverse effects. 6. Some ingredients like sugar may be listed by other names. For example, sugar can be listed as corn syrup, high fructose corn syrup, honey, agave nectar, cane sugar, evaporated cane juice, coconut sugar, dextrose, or malt syrup. So if you find these names and cannot find sugar, it doesn't mean this food is free of added sugar. Similarly, maida can be written as refined wheat flour. Highly processed oils like palm oil can be written as hydrogenated vegetable oil. So, what are the key takeaways? Avoid consuming processed or ultra-processed packaged foods regularly. Read the ingredients list carefully. You are paying for these foods, and it's your responsibility to look after your health. Don't be misled by attractive packaging and labels like healthy or natural. Check the ingredients list to see if they truly are healthy or natural. Opt for natural, unprocessed, or minimally processed foods. If you choose packaged food, avoid those with a long list of ingredients. Spend time discovering the truth about the foods in the market. Remember, you are what you eat.